Have you ever wondered why so much of Black greatness remains hidden? Why the world speaks of history, but forgets the empires that once ruled the world? From the golden cities of Mali, to the innovation of ancient Kemet, from the spirit of warriors to the minds of inventors, our story is rich, our legacy is deep. Welcome to Black Empire, a movement dedicated to unearthing the roots of power, purpose, and pride. Here, we celebrate the real African experience. We spotlight Black entrepreneurs, world record holders, cultural visionaries, and untold stories that shaped humanity. This is where history meets hustle, where tradition fuels transformation, where the past inspires the future. This is not just a channel. It's a revolution of truth, honor, and greatness. So, to every king, to every queen, to every dreamer rising from the soil of struggle, this is your home. This is your time. This is Black Empire. Reclaim the legacy. Build the future. Subscribe now. The empire begins.